Hello my dear students, welcome back again to our English class of Standard 1. And how are you my dear students? All are well? Fine? Very good. So this is our English class of Standard 1. And today, before starting today's topic, let me show you something. Okay? Let me show you something. I'm going to show you something. And today we will start a new topic now. So first you have to identify what ma'am is doing. Okay? My dear students, see, ma'am is having her pen with her and her pouch is also with her. Okay? Now see. Tell me, where is the pen? Yes, the pen is on the pouch. Okay. Now where is the pen? The pen is near the pouch, isn't it? Now, where is the pen? The pen is in the pouch, isn't it? Now, the pen is outside the pouch, isn't it? Okay. Now see what I am having, what ma'am is having with her. Here is one basket. Ma'am is having one basket, and what is there inside this basket? Coconuts. So where is the coconuts? The coconuts are in the basket. The coconuts are in the basket. Okay? Now my dear students, this is my study table. Okay? Now where are the books? See, where are the books? Because there are more than one books, isn't it? So where are the books? The books are on the table. The books are on the table. And now, where is my pouch? The pouch is under the table. This is the study table and the pouch is under the table. Where is the pouch? The pouch is under the table. Now, you all must be thinking what ma'am is doing. What ma'am is trying to tell us. Isn't it? Am I right? Yes, my dear students. Ma'am wants to tell you about the position of the things. Where was the pen? Where was the book? Where was the pouch? Everything. Where was the coconut? What ma'am told you? The coconut was in the basket. The pouch was under the table. The books were on the table. So, on the table, under the table, in the pouch, in the basket, near the pouch, all these tells the position of that particular thing. The location. So, now I am going to tell you that today our topic is position words. So today we are going to study about position words. What is the other name of this position words? Yes, my dear students, prepositions. Prepositions are also known as position words. So, now it is clear that today our topic is prepositions. Today we are going to know about prepositions. And what are prepositions? Prepositions are used to describe the location of the noun in a sentence. Okay? It links one noun with the another in the sentence. See, when the things that I showed you, books, pen, pouch, table, coconut, basket, what are all these things? All these are naming words now, noun. All these are naming words. And what I was trying to show you, where is that thing? The position of that thing. Where? Where is the pen? Where is the pouch? Where is the table? Where is the coconut? Where? Where is the position of that thing? Where is the location of that thing? This is the words which are used to show the position of a noun in a sentence are called prepositions or position words. Clear? So, today we are going to study about prepositions. Prepositions or position words. Okay? Now, prepositions are the words used to show where the noun is where the noun is in the given sentence. Okay? Now, where the noun is, that means where the person, place, animal or thing is. Okay? Where the person, place, animal or thing is in the sentence. Clear? It shows the relationship. The position words shows the relationship between the noun and the another word in the given sentence. Okay, where is that noun? Where is that person, place, thing or animal is in that sentence? Okay, where it is located, where is its position? Clear? So we can say that position words or prepositions, they link a noun with another noun in a given sentence. We can say this. They link a noun with another noun in a given sentence. See, for an example, where I am standing. I. You can say the teacher is standing in front of blackboard. The teacher is standing in front of blackboard. Now the teacher, it's a naming word, it's a noun. And where I am standing? In front of what? In front of blackboard. So noun, teacher, naming word, blackboard, naming word, and where I am standing, the position, the location where I am standing in front of the blackboard. So, it is linking the one noun with another noun. Clear? Now, where is the pen? The pen is in my hand. The pen is in my hand. Pen, hand, all these things are naming word. Where is the pen? The pen is in my hand. What is the position of the pen? In my hand. What is the position of the teacher? She is standing in front of the blackboard. So now it is clear. So prepositions or the position words are used to show the location or the position of a noun in a given sentence. Or we can say prepositions or position words are used to show the relationship between the noun with another word or another noun in a sentence, or where the person, place, thing or animal is in the given sentence. Okay, now it is clear. Now what you have to do, my dear students, take out your English copy and we will write the definition of this topic prepositions and do some worksheet so that you all will able to understand what is prepositions or position words. Okay, now hurry up, go and take out your copy, pencil and eraser. Now my dear students, look at the picture. Now we will identify all the naming words. We will identify the position of the naming words present in this picture. Okay. Now see. Here one fruit seller is there. The fruit seller is sitting. Where the fruit seller is sitting? The fruit seller is sitting on a bench. The fruit seller is sitting on the bench. See, here three men are sitting. Where they are sitting? 3 men are sitting under the tree. Under the tree. Some boys and girls, some children are playing here. Where they are playing? They are playing outside the house. They are playing outside the house. Now see here, birds are flying. Where the birds are flying? The birds are flying in the sky. The birds are flying in the sky. The sun is also there in the sky. Now see here, one car is standing here and here some shops are there. Where the car is standing? The car is standing near the shop. The car is standing near the shop. Okay? This old man, see here this old man, this lady with a child. Here is also 2 people are there. So where they are walking? They are walking on the footpath. They are walking on the footpath. Okay? So we have identified the position of all the naming words present in this picture. Some commonly used prepositions are in, on, under, inside, outside, behind, in front, near, etc. These are some commonly used prepositions. More prepositions are also there. Over, above, many prepositions are there. So these are the prepositions, some of the prepositions that we use in our day-to-day life. Okay? My dear students, let us play a game. You have to identify, you have to write you have to not write, actually you have to say the correct preposition. Okay? Now, the children are playing in dash the park. Yes, the children are playing in the park. The man is sitting dash the scooter. The man is sitting on the scooter. The bird is dash the cage. In the cage. The bird is in the cage. The puppy is dash the table. Yes, the puppy is under the table. The calf is near the cow. The child is dash the mother. The child is behind the mother. Okay? So, in your copy, write the heading prepositions. Then, prepositions or position words shows relationship between a noun and another word in a sentence. Position words are used to indicate the location of the things in the sentence. Okay? Some of the commonly used prepositions are in, on, under, outside, over, behind, in front, inside, between, etc. Okay? So what you have to do, my dear students, you have to write all these things in your copy. Okay? Now, worksheet. Choose the correct preposition. This is your homework for today. Okay. The milk is dash the bottle. See in bracket, here two prepositions are written. You have to choose the correct one. On, in. Number 2, the park is dash my house. Outside, over. The duster is dash the table. Again in bracket, on, in. The dog is hiding dash the door. Over, behind. And now this is your homework. You have to write all these sentences in your copy. And here in bracket, the prepositions are given. You have to choose the correct one.